If you are planning a trip to Alleppey and specifically looking for a private pool resort, you should know this first. Alleppey is no longer just about houseboats. Today, it has shifted towards private pool villas, where the focus is on space, privacy, and a more controlled luxury experience. And these resorts are mainly divided into two types: backwater resorts near Vembanad Lake and beachside resorts in Mararikulam. Each one offers a very different experience. Let's start with the backwater side. One of the most premium options here is Uday Backwater Resort. This resort is known for its large private pool villas, with some villas going above 1,100 square feet. These villas include a living area, dining space, and even a kitchenette, which makes them suitable for families or groups. The biggest advantage here is the lake-facing private pools, which directly connect your villa experience with the backwaters. It also offers a butler service, although some guests mention that service can be slow during peak times. Another strong option is Lake Canopy. This is a smaller and more boutique-style resort. Its Royal Creek pool villas are more compact, around 600 square feet, but designed mainly for couples. The focus here is not just the room but also the activities, like pedal boating, cycling, and shikara rides. This makes it one of the best options if you want both private pool and experiences included. If you want something even more private, there is the Rain, River Villa with Infinity Pool. This is not a typical resort. It is a boutique villa with only a few rooms, designed for complete exclusivity. The main highlight is a temperature-controlled infinity pool, which is rare in Alleppey. But one thing to keep in mind is that since it is very close to water, mosquitoes can be an issue, especially at night. Now let's look at the beachside options in Mararikulam. These resorts focus more on privacy through design, not views. The best example is Marari Beach Resort by CGH Earth. Here, private pool villas are built inside walled garden spaces, so instead of lake views, you get complete seclusion. Another unique feature is the saltwater pool system, which avoids heavy chlorine and feels more natural. The resort also focuses on eco-luxury, with organic food and nature-based experiences. If you want a more personalized experience, Marari Villas is another option. This is a very small property with only a few villas. Each villa has a private pool, and the service is highly customized, with chefs preparing meals based on your preferences. This is one of the best options for couples who want complete privacy without a large resort environment. Now let's talk about pricing. Private pool resorts in Alleppey vary widely. Mid-range options like Lake Canopy usually start around 13,000 rupee to 16,000 rupee per night. Premium resorts like Uday or Marari Beach Resort can go up to 25,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees per night, especially during peak season. Prices also change a lot based on the season. From December to January, rates are at their highest. From June to September, you can get better deals, but weather conditions may limit outdoor use. Another important factor is pool type. Some resorts use chlorine pools, which can sometimes cause skin irritation. Others, like CGH Earth Properties, use saltwater pools, which many travelers prefer. In simple terms, the best private pool resort in Alleppey depends on your travel style. If you want large villas with lake views, Uday is a strong option. If you want activities with a private pool stay, Lake Canopy works well. If you prefer boutique luxury with maximum privacy, the Rain is a great choice. If you want eco-friendly beachside luxury, Marari Beach Resort stands out. And if you want a fully personalized villa experience, Marari Villas is one of the best. Alleppey stands out because it offers two completely different private pool experiences: backwater views and beachside seclusion, both focused on privacy and relaxation. Check the link in the description. Search the homestay name and book to get discount.